Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run return air duct. Understanding your home's return air duct system is fundamental for efficient heating and cooling. These ducts are vital pathways that draw air back to your HVAC unit for reconditioning, ensuring balanced airflow throughout your living spaces. A well-designed return system helps filter airborne pollutants and maintains consistent temperatures, preventing uncomfortable hot or cold spots. Getting this right is key to both comfort and energy savings. Sizing your return air ducts correctly is paramount. A good rule of thumb is to ensure your return ductwork is at least as large as your supply ducts, or even larger. For optimal airflow, aim for approximately 200 square inches of return grill area per ton of cooling capacity. When choosing locations, prioritize central, unobstructed areas such as hallways. Crucially, avoid placing return vents in high humidity zones like kitchens, bathrooms, or garages to prevent circulating odors and moisture. When installing return air ducts, careful planning is essential. Design the most direct routes possible, minimizing sharp bends, as these can restrict airflow and reduce efficiency. It's critical to seal all duct joints and seams meticulously using appropriate materials like duct mastic or metallic HVAC tape, not standard duct tape, to prevent air leaks. Remember to insulate ducts running through unconditioned areas such as attics to maintain air temperature. Finally, ensure at least 6 to 12 inches of clearance around all return vents for optimal air intake. To keep your system running smoothly, avoid common pitfalls. Never block return air vents with furniture, rugs, or drapes, as this severely restricts airflow. Ensure your home has an adequate number of return vents. A general guideline is one return for every 600 to 900 square feet of living space. Regularly clean your return vents and change air filters to prevent dust buildup. Undersized or leaky ducts force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to reduced efficiency and increased energy costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.